Layer 1 blockchains are all fighting to earn the respect of developers and basically bring new developers into their ecosystem. So ALGORAND, a top 50 crypto we've talked about quite a bit, just came out with some news that drastically improves their chances of attracting more developers to come into their ecosystem. We're going to break down why this is so important. ALGORAND has actually been very adamant about speed of transactions. It's one of the areas where a lot of these new layer 1 blockchains really focus on. Why? Well, Ethereum has all of the market basically attracted to it, right? Just because it's Ethereum. It's been around the longest, but one of the things Ethereum lacks is speed because it has so much traffic on its network. A lot of these new layer 1s have tried to tackle some of the issues that are there with Ethereum, that exist there. And ALGORAND has been, again, very, very adamant about attacking this issue of speed of transaction time. And they recently just cut their block time. We're going to talk more about that and what it means here in this video. So appreciate you guys so much. If you're new here to the channel, if you're just popping in, you're a big ALGORAND investor, you haven't come across some of my videos, I've talked about ALGO multiple times here on the channel, so make sure you guys subscribe down below so you don't miss out on another ALGORAND video. And here it is. ALGORAND cuts block time after new upgrades. So ALGORAND has upgraded its protocol here this morning to reduce block time, making an application development on the network faster and more cost efficient. These are two areas, right? More cost effective, cheaper transaction fees, and a faster network. Two areas where Ethereum lacks a little bit and where ALGORAND and other layer 1s try to come in and tackle these issues that reside on Ethereum. Now, the proof of stake blockchain's upgrade will reduce block time to 3.3 seconds from 3.8 seconds, which is the largest reduction of block time on a percentage basis. This is coming from ALGORAND Chief Product Officer Paul Regal, who recently told CoinDesk about this move. Now, the upgrade comes in an increasingly competitive space, of course, in which, as I mentioned at the top, tons of different layer 1s and blockchains have introduced improvements to make themselves more attractive for developers. Everybody is fighting for developers, essentially, right now in the blockchain space. And a ton of these layer 1s look to bring something unique to the table. And Cardano recently did something with their latest upgrade this week, and BNB's chain upgrade last month. Now ALGORAND has something new to share with the developers as well. If you're interested in learning more about block time, just to give you a quick blurb here, it measures how long it takes for a network to produce a new block of transactions. Other improvements include a simulator that will allow developers to test and simulate issues before deploying their code base to mainnet, and a new plugin framework that allows people to create easy customizable data. As we mentioned here, ALGORAND sitting at number 43 right now on the big board, market cap just under $1 billion. They've got a really, really strong team from MIT, super, super smart individuals. They've actually partnered with Cardano last year a little bit. Now, ALGO, the native crypto, is up about 5% in the past 24 hours, and it is up from some local lows. ALGORAND actually dipped all the way down to 10 cents, actually touched below 10 cents as everything tumbled here in the last 10 to 12 days or so. I think June 10th was the date that everything really crashed pretty hard, all the altcoins. ALGORAND got down there below 10 cents, closer to 13 cents now, so a nice little surge back up here for ALGO. The upgrade, which incorporated feedback from the developer community, occurs as ALGORAND's mainnet nears 30 million block, and it's coming up on its 4-year anniversary as well. So ALGORAND, an altcoin that I've had my eye on and have been invested in for a while. Some good news here coming out this morning. Let me know what you guys think about this down below in the comment section, and hopefully you subscribe right here for more content on ALGO. See ya.